Special English Heart Report. Recent studies have found that punishment is not the best way to influence behavior. Once showered, the adults are much more cooperative if they work in a system based on rewards. Research at Harvard University in the United States and the Stockholm School of Economics in Sweden did the study. They had about 200 college students play a version of the game known as the Prisoner's Dilemma. The game is based on the tension between the interests of an individual and a group. The students played in groups of four. Each player could win points for the group, so they would all gain equally. But each player could also reward or punish each of the other three players. At a cost to the punisher, Harvard research David Rand says the most successful behavior profit to the corporation. The group that reward it the most earn about twice as much in the game as the group that reward in the last. And the more a group punishes itself, the lower its earnings. The group with the most punishment earned 25% less than the group with the least punishment. The study appeared in September in the journal Science. The other study imported children. It was presented in September in California at a conference on violence and abuse. Research used intelligence tests given to two groups. More than 800 children were aged 2 to 4 the first time they were tested. More than 700 children were aged 5 to 9. The two groups were researched 4 years later, and the study compared the result with the first test. Both groups contained children whose parents used physical punishment and children whose parents did not. The study says the IQs or intelligence quotient of the younger children who were not spanked were 5 points higher than those who were. In the older group, the difference was almost 3 points. Maurice Strauss from the Universities of the Hampshire worked with Mali Pascal from the Pacific Institute for Research and Evaluation. Professor Strauss has written extensively about physical punishment of children. He says the more they are spanked, the slower their mental development. He also looked at average IQs in other nations and found them lower where spanking was more common. What do you think are the best ways to correct misbehavior? Share your comments at specialenglish.com. And that's the VOA English Heart Report. And I'm Adi Pertiwi.